This is consonant blend CL. And a consonant blend is 2 or 3 consonants that each say their own sound, but we blend them together in a word. So C says k, 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 and L says l, l, l. Let's tap and stretch them together. Kl. Tap and stretch. Kl. Good. Let's do that now with words. Make a whole word out of it. Are you ready? Let's tap and stretch this word. Clan. Tap and stretch it again. Clan. Say it fast. Clan. Say it fast. Clan. A clan is a group of people, like a family. They would be a clan, right? Okay, let's do another one. Let's read this new word. Clap. Tap and stretch. Clap. Did you hear the word in that? Clap. Clap. Yeah, clap. Good job. You know what a clap is. Clapping your hands. All right, let's read another new word. Clip. Tap and stretch again. Clip. Say it fast. Clip. Say it fast. Clip. Yes, clip. There could be a clip of a TV show, or you could clip something out by cutting it out. Clip. Good. Okay, let's tap and stretch this new word. Clog. Tap and stretch it. Clog. Say it fast, like a word. Clog. Say it fast. Clog. Clog. Yes, you know that word. Like, don't put too much toilet paper in the toilet or you will clog the toilet. Okay, let's tap and stretch our last word. Club. Tap and stretch. Club. Say it fast. Club. Say it fast. Club. The word club. Like, I joined a club at school. And that is our consonant blend CL. Good work.